Hi, sweet Stampin' friends. I am super excited. I want to share with you this beautiful Sweet Creations Club kit for September. It is using the True Beauty bundle, and I love it. I love these really pretty colors and stuff and patterns, and it's such an easy bundle to work with. So I wanted to show you the projects, give you a little sneak peek of what they look like, and tell you about my Sweet Creations Club and how you can sign up. So the projects that you'll be making in your project kit will be 4 cards and 1 gift bag. So I'm going to show you a close-up of each of these. This uses that really pretty die cut that is in the bundle. I love that. And then we have this card. And then this one's just a really simple, fun fold card. And then we have this one too as well. And then you have this beautiful gift bag to put all the cards in. So the Sweet Creations Club, it is a fun project kit that you can receive each month, focusing on a particular bundle. It includes the pre-cut supplies to make the projects for the month. Now, I do cut like the base cardstock and any die cuts that you may need and stuff, but anything that you need to use from the bundle, you'll need to be able to go ahead and stamp and cut that yourself. There will be about $20 in consumable new Stampin' Up! Products for you to use in your projects, as well as the PDF tutorial. Now, you can either subscribe monthly for $39 each month, and that does include first-class shipping to you with tracking, and you will be automatically billed. You don't have to think about registering each month, and you also earn some really fun club perks. Now, if you just want to try a kit, I do offer a limited number of non-subscription 1-month kits that you can try out. So go look over on the link for the Sweet Creations Club, and you will see both the link to subscribe monthly as well as the 1-month link to try that out. Let me tell you what you're going to need in order to complete the projects. So just a few simple supplies this time, really easy. You do have the True Beauty bundle with really beautiful stamp set there, and then the set of dies. I always recommend you buy the bundle so that you can save that 10%. Now, if you don't happen to have this bundle, or you have something similar, just go ahead and switch out with what you have to be able to complete the projects, because it's a really easy, beautiful set of projects this time. You're going to want to have, for ink pads, polished pink, as well as granny apple green. Really simple on ink pads this time. And then for your adhesives, your favorite tape or liquid glue, mini glue dots, and Stampin' Dimensionals. Now, registration for the September Sweet Creations Club runs from August 6th through September 5th, and then I will close it out, and then I will order all the supplies and then mail the project kits out to you. And any add-on products that you want to add to your registration, you can do that, and I will ship all that out by September 15th, pending any backorder items. So guys, reach out to me if you have any questions. Otherwise, I am looking really forward to sending you some happy mail. Take care. Bye, guys.